NBC29 forecast.
All right, the rain, the showers, the thunderstorms continue across the region. 68 currently at the airport. We have a severe thunderstorm warning at this time until 6:45 for the city of Charlottesville, northeastern Albemarle, southwestern Orange, and southeastern Greene. Get to that in just a second. 58 with the rain and storms continuing across the Shenandoah Valley. Most locations have certainly been rain cooled. Airport made it up to a high of 77 this afternoon. Currently 68. We already have some upper 50s now from Stanton to Waynesboro. All right, the severe thunderstorm warning till 6:45 includes the city of Charlottesville. This goes up the Route 20 corridor, Route 29, out toward Ruckersville, out toward Gordonsville. Again, till 6:45. Damaging wind gusts potentially up to 60. Also the potential for some hail, and the hail tracker is showing a little bit of hail on the eastern side of this cell as it moves off to the northeast about 30 miles an hour. So right now perhaps along and east of Route 20, seeing hail maybe up to the size of quarter size hail. Here we go with some moderate rain through portions of Greene and Madison. Again, that severe thunderstorm warning a little farther south toward Ruckersville. We'll continue to keep an eye on this as it advances farther off to the north and east toward the town of Orange. And then you can see there's more showers and thunderstorms through Nelson County. And as this activity moves over the same areas, at least if it's heavy rain, that could cause some localized flooding. Some of these rainfall rates are greater than 1.5 inches to over 2 inches per hour. Some light to moderate rain now through Augusta County, portions of Rockingham. We're basically dealing with two separate systems. A cold front that's out to our west, that's just beginning to approach the Ohio River. And then we have another storm that's developing off the Carolina coast. But all this is kind of converging on the mid-Atlantic this afternoon. There's still the potential, as mentioned, for an isolated severe storm that could produce a damaging wind gust. Although very low, can't completely rule out an isolated tornado. That's early this evening. Temperatures overnight with some lingering showers, generally in the low 50s across much of the region. Some of the normally cooler spots out to the west in the upper 40s. We've got a cooler and windy day tomorrow. We're looking for daytime highs pretty much in the low to middle 60s across central Virginia, upper 50s to around 60 in the Shenandoah Valley. And some of those wind gusts at the higher elevations where we could have a wind advisory could be up to 50 miles an hour along the Blue Ridge, but still 10, 25 miles an hour gusts during the day tomorrow. So generally in the 60s here. We'll continue with temperatures a lot more seasonable for late October, and the next chance of some significant rain potentially will be Thursday night, Friday, and into the start of the weekend. So as mentioned, two separate systems, cold front out to our west, showers and thunderstorms kind of converging here across the mid-Atlantic this afternoon. Area of low pressure off the Carolina coast will become more energized as this front pushes east here tonight, and then that'll work up toward portions of the northeast and New England. It'll also create some windy conditions for us as we go through the day tomorrow. You can see the cooler air back behind the front with temperatures in the 50s throughout much of the Ohio Valley. So here's Futurecast depiction. We're currently dealing with those showers and thunderstorms, isolated severe. Here we are around 8 o'clock. Most of the activity now is along and pushing east of Route 15, and that'll continue toward the coast tonight. Some lingering showers in the morning along with some cloud cover. Then that should give way to a mix of sun and clouds, windy, and those winds out of the northwest, and temperatures pretty much in the 60s. And then we'll start Wednesday morning in the 40s, and daytime highs will top out in the mid to upper 60s. So showers and thunderstorms, some heavy rain, temperatures tonight in the low 50s for most. Early on, that severe threat isolated. There we go with the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A cooler week overall, Casey and Steve, but another big rain chance potentially by the end of the week and start of the weekend. But right now, the Halloween day on Sunday looks dry. Temperatures in the low and middle 60s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be